In case you don't have access to KUKA Fleet, we will be going over what each of the color the LEDs in the AMR stand for to help you understand what the AMR is going through for your and the safety of other people around you. The first color we'll go over is a solid red. That means one of the E-stops in the AMR has been pressed and it will need to be released for that color to go away. A flashing red stands for safety violation, which means one of the safety fields of the AMR has been violated. A purple color stands for obstacle detection. That triggers when the camera of the AMR sees an obstacle ahead of it. A solid green color stands for an AMR that's ready to be moving and is fully initialized. A flashing green color means the AMR is moving and is operating at this moment. A white and purple color means that the AMR is bypassing an obstacle and it's going either to the left of the obstacle or the right side of the obstacle. A solid yellow color stands for the AMR to not be fully initialized. A flashing yellow light stands for the AMR being on maintenance mode. The AMR uses two cameras, one in the front and one in the back, to detect if an object is in its path. The AMR will slow down to a stop. The reset button will not start flashing and no action is needed. The AMR will either wait for the obstacle to be cleared or try to find a way around it or replan its path. The AMR has two SICK LiDAR sensors that will be triggered when the fields set within are violated. There are many different fields depending on the speed of the AMR. These fields can be viewed and edited. In some situations, the reset button will start flashing and will need to be clicked to take the AMR back to being online. The AMR has a bumper strap that goes around it. When the bumper is hit and triggered, the AMR stops completely on the spot, whether it's operating or standing still. The reset button will start flashing and will need to be clicked to take the AMR back to being online.
Industrial intelligence.